In this video we will learn features of weightage and score of performance option in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the performance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see performance setup form. Click on action and then edit button. Click on performance option form. Show score and evaluation validates visibility of final score and KPI-wise individual score. Next is the option to select the review types to show score. Visibility feature of section/objective weightage in evaluation form. Visibility feature of KPI weightage in evaluation form. Next is selection to add KPI dates/number days option. Then select either one them. Last is to select where KPI dates/number days option will be filled. After changes, click on our update button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your performance setup is successfully updated.